Welcome to this new tutorial. Bots are a great way to automate work, especially when it comes to repetitive tasks. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a bot that automatically sends messages to a Telegram channel. I will leave the example channel link in the comments, where I automated fetching and displaying news thanks to the code contained in this tutorial. Creating a Telegram channel is super simple, so I won't go much into detail here. Just open the app or the web app, tap on the pencil floating button, and follow the procedure to create a public channel. You can set it private later on, but right now we need it public to complete the configuration. The second thing you need is to create a Telegram bot. You are going to need this bot to be an administrator of the channel, and he will be the recipient and author of all the messages we are going to send from our Python backend. To create a bot, head to the search section of Telegram and type botfather and start the conversation with the command /newbot. After that, you will be prompted to give a name to your bot and a nickname that necessarily ends with the keyword bot. That's all it takes to create a bot. Now you get access to the HTTP API token that we are going to need to communicate with the bot. There is a third step before stepping into code. While you can make the bot send messages to a public channel, most of the time you might want to control accesses to guarantee a safe environment through a private channel. So, while it is possible to send messages to your channel by using its public name, I would suggest retrieving the chat ID. It is quite simple. Just type the Telegram API endpoint presented in the screen with the shown parameter in the browser. You'll get a JSON response that contains the chat object. Copy the ID number and you're ready to go. In your Python script, import the HTTP and URL lib libraries. Create a new HTTPS connection object by defining the domain name. The Telegram endpoint can receive various parameters. Chat ID is compulsory and is the code we retrieved from the browser. Text is the message you want to send to the channel. The Telegram API supports HTML Markdown, so you can make your text more beautiful by adding HTML tags. Make sure to add the parse mode HTML parameter as well in order to tell the endpoint what kind of text you're sending. Now, as a last thing, simply perform a GET request by using /bot, the bot API token provided by botfather, /send message. That's it. You have now created all the necessary infrastructure for your automated Telegram channel. There are so many possibilities here to further develop this project. For the example channel in the description, I have hosted these few lines of code on an Heroku server after wrapping it in a Flask app that I call every hour through a cron job. I hope this tutorial was useful. Let me know if you have any doubts or questions, and don't hesitate to write in the comments what amazing things you're going to build.